Welcome to my channel. The video shows how to make wires or lines, symbols thicker for print export in Cadence Virtuoso. For the demo purpose, consider the given circuit. The default line thickness and symbol thickness is small. So let us change this. First, go to main command interface window, select tools, then navigate to display resource manager, select that, then select or click edit. It opens display resource editor. The device should be taken as display. Select all LPPs. Here you select the GPDK that you are working with. Right now I am using GPDK 90 nanometer. In the search, you type the wire, select this. If you want, you can change the color of it. I can change this to magenta. I am changing this here, or you can keep the outline as well. In the line style, select thick line. Click modify current packet. You can see the change. Similarly, in the search option, type device. Select device drawing. Here also you can change the color of the transistor, which is this one. Now I am changing the thick line style. You can see that this is the current version and this is the modified. Select modify current packet. You can see the change. It got modified. Then go to File, Save. It asks to give a file name. The default file name is having display.drf. I want to give another name, display11.drf. Save it. Then close. In the schematic window, to view the changes of thick wire and this symbols, go to view and select redraw. Now you can see the changes, that the lines are thick as well as the symbols are having the thick lines. This is helpful for print export of an image in Cadence Virtuoso.